Welcome back. Mapsa municipality held their council meeting and unanimously passed decisions to solve Mapsa's pending issues. Chairperson Sudhir Kandolkar informed that they will take Mapsa garden renovation on priority. Sewage treatment plant will also be set up to treat sewage water of Mapsa market.
Mapsa municipality held its council meeting on Friday. Various issues came up before the councillors. Chairperson of Mapsa, Sudhir Kandolkar, said Mapsa garden renovation will be taken up on priority basis.
सुडाच्या अंडर नाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटचे ग्रांट्स घेवन ते रिनोवेशन करपाक लागून जी गार्डनां हे गार्डन पयलीं तेंचे कडेन आहा ते घेतलां आनी ते भायर अशी इतरूय वॉर्डांनी जी कितें गार्डनां आहा तेंचो प्रपोजल करून जो सुडाक आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक धाडपाचो हो इशू एका मतान पास जाल्लो.
He also informed that as Mapsa market is in its completion stage, a sewage treatment plant will be set up to treat sewage water of the city.
गार्बेज वॉटर जी कितें आहा ती ट्रीट करपाक एक 3 आमी सिवरेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट घालपाचें ठरयल्लें आहा. तशेंच जी मार्केटान हॉटेलां आहा एके लायटीन हेवटेन 3 आहा तेवटेन 3 तेचे फाटसुनीन ती जे सिवरेज वॉटर वचून थंयसर ते हांगा आमचो मार्केट एरियेक वॉटर टेबल लो आसल्या कारणान ते सक जायना आनी थंयसरूय प्रॉब्लेम येता. ते हे अशे ट्रिटमेंट सिवेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट घालून ते वॉटर प्युरिफाय करून मागीर ते गटरान सोडप अशे तरेचे 3 प्लांट आमी घालपाक लागून आयज हे डिसिजन युनानिमसली जाल्लें आहा.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Second edition of Goa's fashion calendar was launched for the year 2013. Photographer Sanjay Salvi was a part of the R R Setye group this year. Have a look.
And it's a great opportunity and yeah, I'm happy to be here.
Goa as being a very good destination for photography, so it's a nice experience for me to promoting such kind of art events.
ये एक टीम वर्क है. कोई भी कैलेंडर कोई भी शूट अगर टीम वर्क के बिना अधूरा रहता है. मैंने तो सिर्फ कैमरे में कैच किया है लेकिन उसका अच्छा थीम देने का काम शलाका ने किया है. अच्छे पोजेस करने का काम हमारे मॉडल्स ने किया है. बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स लिए हैं तो उनके लिए मैं चाहूँगा जोरदार तालियां.
Pudari defeated Electronic Media by 4 runs in a close contest to win the Vijaygar Memorial Intermedia Cricket Tournament. The tournament was organized by Sports Journalists Association of Goa at Kampal.
And for man of the match, special cash prize is being दिलं आहे शेखर चोडणकर हाणे आय रिक्वेस्ट बाळू टू प्लीज गिव्ह दिस Mr. Rajesh Gad has sponsored this program, this prize, best prize.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.